Khammagani. 4 common food myths in children, especially in winters. What to do, doctor? First, curd increases cold. No, 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 no. It is rich source of probiotic, high amount of vitamin B12, B2, calcium, potassium. Citrus food should be avoided? No, 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 no. It contains vitamin C, boost immunity, rich in flavonoids, helps in recovery. Third, coconut water causes pneumonia, doctor. Oh no, wait. Rich in potassium, calcium, fibers, natural enzymes, digestion, best natural rehydration solution. Banana causes cold? No, wait. High in potassium, fibers, vitamin B6, antioxidants, helps in faster recovery. Do like, share, comment.